What's up, guys? So today we're going to do something a little bit different. So we're going to take this thing, and make a bike hauler out of it. Well, you guys know this thing. It is the, I don't know what you'd call it, bread truck or badass van, basically, that was built by Gas Monkey Garage. What the inside looks like. It's got a big hump. And today we're going to basically make a Grom hauler out of it. So this should be interesting. All right, so this is going well. Super simple idea. Just so you can fold the seats up. I built a 4x4 table. Basically, I'm gonna cover it with plywood, put some reinforcements in there. You see there's a big old 13-inch hump in the middle, kind of like dovetail it out. So both bikes sit right there. From that hump to the ground is 6 foot. So I'll use my 6-foot ramp to be able to ramp right in between these doors. They're 39 inches. Make some tie down points up there and boom, we're done. Well, it's in. That's how it's gonna go. It's gonna measure out some stuff for some tie down points now. All right, here she is. I think we're all set to go in there. Half-ass job. I'm gonna throw a half-ass paint job on it. Match all the black interior in there. Okay, paint's on. Half-ass, just like I planned. So this worked out really well. There's two mini bikes in a very custom, probably the coolest mini bike hauler ever made, hands down. And the reason we're doing this is because tonight we're gonna go to RLC for their hangout. They love seeing the van there, so I had to put some bikes in it, do some wheelies and stuff, and just use this thing for a purpose. To the whole bikes, what are we gonna do with it, right? We're loaded up, I think we're ready to roll. Haha, we're rolling! The bike hauler. We made it, babe. What are we doing?
Hanging out?
Hanging out. Oh, look who's here.
What happened?
Hey.
Hey.
What's up, man?
What's up?
We do some Grom stuff?
Yeah.
Whee! Hey, bike stuff. Yeah. Let's do something cool. Cool. We made it. No bikes fell over. None of them hit us in the back. Everything worked out great. I think everybody liked the Groms and the cool hauler. You guys let me know what you think of this thing. I think it's awesome. I want to go do a whole bunch of mini bike stuff with this thing. So let me know if I'm completely crazy for putting these bikes in here or if you love it. Have a good one.